write db dot, we can write whatever the name of the collection that we want to give, and then we write find, and then it probably shows nothing, right? So because we don't have anything, let's say that we create an object and then we can insert there. So we created object, so let's say that student one, and then this will be an object. So let's say that I'm not writing the ID, because ID I want that MongoDB will be manage that one. Okay, so write name, say for example name, if I write my name, and then I write the GPA value, let's say that 3.89, and then let's say that I write the department is, and since this is a string, so I'll give a string symbol here, CSIS. Okay, so that's my student one. So it just created the object